Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in an HP Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. It is recommended that you use an anti-static mat to avoid electrostatic discharge, which may damage electronic parts. You will need a small magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver. You'll also want to have a spudger handy, as it will be useful in the replacement process. You can use metal or plastic, whichever you prefer. The first step will be to use your spudger to go around the perimeter of the bezel, carefully prying it apart until the bezel is completely removed. Next, you will remove the 4 LCD screws that are locking the LCD into place. Now, you will detach the LCD cable from the back of the LCD. Now that your damaged LCD is removed, your next step will be to reattach the LCD cable into the back of your replacement LCD. Next, you will replace the 4 LCD screws. Finally, you will replace the bezel by snapping it back into place. You have now successfully replaced the LCD. Good job!